Is your Trello board starting to look more like a digital junkyard than an organized workspace? Don't worry, today we're showing you how to remove cards from Trello, keeping your workflow smooth and efficient. There are two main ways to remove cards: deleting and archiving, and understanding the difference is key. Archiving a card is like putting it in storage. It removes it from your board but keeps it accessible for future reference. To archive a card, simply open the card you want to remove, look for the archive button on the right-hand side menu, and click it. The card disappears from the board, but don't worry, it's not gone forever. You can view archived cards by clicking Show Archived Items at the bottom of the list where the card once was. From the archive view, you can reopen a card if you need it again by clicking the Send to Board button. Archiving is perfect for tasks that are completed or projects that are on hold. Now, let's talk about deleting a card. Deleting is permanent. The card and all its data are completely removed from Trello. To delete, open the card, click the three dots, and then select Delete. You'll be asked to confirm this action, as it cannot be undone, so make sure you really want to get rid of it. Click Delete to permanently remove the card. Now you know how to archive and delete cards in Trello. Use these methods to keep your boards clean, focused, and perfectly tailored to your active projects.